Anyone may tell to Ali Naeem, he must write his ID, otherwise he will not be allowed. Okay. Okay, students. So you are doing this question. The integration of 3x will be 3x square upon 2. Integrate 1 upon 4 is constant. Integration of x3 will be x4 upon 4. And now we will put the upper limit. The limit is 0 to 4. So first we put the upper limit 4. It will become 3 upon 2 into x. X is 4. 4 square minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 16. X is to power 4. 4 is to power 4. Upper limit. Close. Minus the lower limit. 3 upon 2. 0 raised to power 2 minus 1 upon 16. 0 raised to power 4. Square bracket close. So this will become 3 over 2 into 16 minus 1 upon 16 into 16 into 16. 4 raised to power 4 will be 16 into 16. Minus this is 0. 0 is multiplied by 3 upon 2 will be 0. 1 upon 16 multiplied by 0, 0 will be 0. So 116 is cancelled. 2 8s are. It will become 24 minus 16 minus 0. The answer is 8. 8 minus 0, the answer is 8. This is the final answer. Okay. Sayyid Minhal Hussain Naqvi. 3804. So this is the answer of question number 3. The limit of the integral is 0 to 4, 3x minus x cube upon 4 with respect to x. Dx means with respect to x. So we'll integrate. The integration of 3x will be 3 constant. The derivative integration of x will be x square upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 is constant. Integration of x cube will be x4 upon 4. We have to add 1 power. That was power 1. We add 1 more. It will become 2 divided by 2. There was power 3. We add 1 more. It will become 4 upon 4. So this is the method or the rule of integration. So now this become, now we'll put the upper limit 4, 3 upon 2 into 4 is to power 2 minus 1 upon 16. X is 4, 4 is to power 4. This bracket close minus the lower limit 0. 3 upon 2 into 0 square minus 1 upon 16 into 0 raised to power 4. So it will become 3 upon 2 into 4 square will be 16. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. This is 8 minus 1 upon 16. So 4 square will be 16. So 4 is to power 4 will be 16 into 16. So 116 is cancelled. And minus 3 upon 2 into 0 will be 0. 1 upon 16 into 0 will be 0. So 8 3s are 24. Minus 1 into 16 will be 16. Minus this is 0. So 24 minus 16 will be 8. 8 minus 0 will be 8. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. दिस क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? सब समझ गए बेटा? कोई ऐसा तो नहीं जो समझ?
यस सर, यस सर, हो गया।
ओके बेटा. Question number 5. Zero to one. Zero to one. Integration x square plus under root x with respect to x. Dx. Mohammad Daniel Malik. Okay. This is x raised to power 1 over 2. We'll integrate it. The integration of x square will be x3 upon 3 plus this is x raised to power 1 over 2. Under root x means x raised to power 1 over 2. We will add 1. It will become x raised to power 3 over 2 upon 3 over 2. जो भी पावर आएगी 1 ऐड करने के बाद वही हम नीचे लिख देंगे और इसका फिर यहाँ ब्रैकेट क्लोज करके स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट डालेंगे और यहाँ पर ये लिमिट डाल देंगे 0 to 1 ऑन द राइट साइड. ये याद रखिए राइट साइड पे डालना है, लेफ्ट साइड पे नहीं डालना है लिमिट. अब इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. पहले 1 पुट कर देंगे. सो 1 रेज़ टू पावर 3 अपॉन 3 प्लस ये 3 अपॉन 2 ऊपर जाएगा 2 अपॉन 3 हो जाएगा. 3 अपॉन 2 विल बिकम 2 अपॉन 3 और x की जगह फिर 1 लिखेंगे 1 रेज़ टू पावर 3 अपॉन 2. ठीक, ये ब्रैकेट हो गया. माइनस x की जगह 0 0 क्यूब अपॉन 3